Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ravitaba Programming. So in this session, I'm going to explain the uh, static binding or compile time polymorphism. In the last video, we were discussing the two kind of compile time and the runtime polymorphism. So compile time polymorphism also called the static binding. So in a real life example, so I'm going to create one example. We reduce the text size. So public class. So for example, I will take arithmetic and I will say public int add. This is method to add two numbers. So I'm saying integer first number comma integer second number integer first number, right? So I will say return first number plus second number. So it will simply return this value. Let me create the test class within this same class. So there could be only one public class in one Java file. So public class. This will give you a better clarity. That's why I'm doing it. Arithmetic test public static void main string args. So I'm creating the object of this class arithmetic equal to new tick, right? And I'm going to call this method system.out.println because I'm returning the value from the add method, so I could simply call it inside the print method arithmetic dot add. I will say add 1 plus 4. Let's save this. test.java. Java arithmetic test, right? It is simply adding the two values. But if you see, both the arguments are like the integer type. What if tomorrow someone will say that I need a method, right, with float or the double uh, type of argument. So either you have to make the update here by saying float first number and you have to update and put the logic, or what you could simply do is you could just replicate the same method. The only difference will be like the type of argument that we are going to pass. So I will say float. I will say float here as well, and here I will pass 0.0f 4.0f, right? And if I will compile this and run this, if you see it is returning the 5. It's a, I mean, it will automatically resolve that what uh, method it is going to call. We don't have to tell that okay, call this. See, the name of the method is same, the only difference is the argument. Or there could be instance like it will say instead of two values I need the three arguments, right? That is also possible. First, third number, I will say third number. See, I will just pass and just a new argument 10.9f. I will compile this and run this. It will just add all the values and return the value. So this is how you do, the compile time overriding sorry, the overloading. So this variation of method not only depends upon the number of argument, type of argument, sequence of argument. It is possible that it is passed first, then the other values, or maybe the one of them is the integer value. That is also possible, and it's not like float only. It could be like the int as well, right? So in this case, I will not pass the float. I will just simply pass the integer value. That is also possible, right? So, or it could be like if like I am passing the value, as float integer, and I'm returning here as an integer. Return type is integer. That is also possible. So there are different combination that you could test with the overloading, right?